In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your Google form into a PDF file in just 5 minutes. Google Forms are incredibly versatile tools for collecting data and feedback, but sometimes you need a tangible record of what's been created, especially if you want to save it in a more universally accessible format like a PDF. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up the Google form that you've already created. If you haven't got it open in your browser, you can easily access it from your Google Drive, provided you're logged into the same Google account that you used to create or access your forms. If you've got various forms, you might want to use the search bar for quicker access. Once your form is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. Clicking these dots will open a drop-down menu. This menu holds a variety of commands, many of which help manage the form and expand its functionality. Today, though, we're focusing on turning this form into a PDF. In the menu that drops down, you'll see an option labeled Print. Select this option. You might be wondering why we're choosing to print when we want a PDF. In many web browsers, selecting Print can actually help us save documents in PDF format thanks to a built-in PDF conversion tool. It's a neat little trick you can use across various websites and applications, not just Google Forms. As soon as you click Print, you'll be greeted by the Print dialog box. This box is your gateway to a variety of printing options. Here, you need to turn your attention to the destination settings. The system defaults might list a specific printer, but don't worry, we're going to change that. Click on the destination settings, and you'll see several options pop up, one of which will be Save as PDF. Selecting Save as PDF changes the context of this process from sending something to a physical printer to creating a digital file. Once that's done, take a moment to review how your form will look as a PDF. While it prints most forms accurately, it's always a good idea to ensure nothing crucial is cut off. Now all that's left to do is click the Save button. When you do, you'll be prompted to choose a location on your device where the file will be downloaded. This is a time-efficient way to ensure you know exactly where that PDF ends up. Choose a location that's easy for you to remember and access, and perhaps give your file a name that allows you to quickly identify it later on. And there you have it, a simple way to transform your Google form into a PDF document, ideal for sharing, keeping records, or presenting data in a professional manner. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the ease of having your Google Forms in a downloadable and printable format anytime you need them.